OpenAI just shifted the global AI power balance. Here's how. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Thursday, May 8th, 2025. OpenAI launched OpenAI for Countries, a global expansion of its $500 billion Stargate project. This initiative will build AI infrastructure like in-country data centers and customized ChatGPT versions tailored for local languages and needs, particularly among U.S. allies. The goal is to promote AI development on democratic rails and solidify U.S.-led global AI leadership. Meanwhile, Figma unveiled AI integrations across its design suite, including prompt-to-code, website publishing, and AI-assisted illustration, entering fierce competition with platforms like Canva and Adobe. Superhuman offers an AI-powered email platform to speed inbox management with shortcut-based processing and AI-generated drafts. French startup Mistral introduced Medium 3, a high-performance, cost-efficient AI model with an enterprise platform emphasizing security and flexible deployments. Other highlights include AI assistance by Telnix and new tools like Gemini 2.5 Pro and Avatar Ivor. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI Minute. Give this video a like and share your thoughts below.